Hey guys, welcome back to Mystery Toys. Today we're going to be learning our colors with these really cool ice cream cups. We have ice cream cones as spoons and ice cream cones as cups as well. We have our different colored candies inside. So let's go ahead and learn our colors. We have 4 different ice cream cups. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have blue, yellow, red, and green. We also have a purple ice cream cup and a pink ice cream cup. The purple ice cream cup has the yellow candies, and the pink ice cream cup has the red candies. The green ice cream cup has the green candies, and the blue ice cream cup has the blue candies. Let's start with the blue ice cream cup. We have our blue spoon. Here we have little brother George from Peppa Pig. He's also wearing blue. He's Peppa Pig's little brother. Next we have the yellow candies, but this one is the purple ice cream cup. Here we have our purple spoon. Let's see what we can find in here. Oh look, it's Mummy Pig from Peppa Pig. She has an orange dress on. Next we have the color green. We have our green ice cream cup, our green candies, and we have a green spoon. Let's see what's in here. I kind of see something sticking up here. Who is that? And it's Daddy Pig! There's his beard, and he's wearing a green shirt. And he also has glasses. Our last color is the color red. We have our red candies, and they're inside our pink ice cream cup. And we also have our pink spoon. Who could be inside of here? And it's Peppa, everybody! She's in her red dress. Now she can be with her family. We have Daddy Pig in our green ice cream cup with our green candies. We have Peppa Pig in our pink ice cream cup with our red candies. We have George in our blue ice cream cup with our blue candies. And we have Mummy Pig in our purple ice cream cup with our yellow candies. How many of them are in Peppa Pig's family? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 family members, including Peppa. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning your colors with our Peppa Pig family. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time with another learning video from Mystery Toys. Bye for now guys, and thanks so much for watching.